In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create tickets manually in HubSpot. To do that, first head over right here in their HubSpot, and once you're there, navigate to the service, and then locate the option for tickets. If you can find it, you can also use right here the search bar and search for tickets right here. Here's tickets, so head over and click on this. Now on the top right, you should be able to find the add tickets option, so click on this, click on create new, and then you can just fill up right here the details of the tickets that you want. So onto this case, let's head over and add a ticket name. So for example, let's add bugs on homepage. Input right here the pipeline. You can choose between the added pipeline or you can add another pipeline right there. Choose right here the ticket status, description, the source for this, and then as well as the ticket owner, the priority for this case, as well as the creation date. Example, let's choose today. Choose right here the tickets that you want to associate them with, association records, and the like. Once you're done, head over and click on create. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.